Hello, this video is about how to install and configure Redshift in Fedora Linux. Redshift is a program that shifts the color of your screen at night so that it's easier to see. Let's take a look at what it says here. It says Redshift adjusts the color temperature of your screen according to your surroundings. This may help your eyes hurt less if you are working in front of the screen at night. The color temperature is set according to the position of the sun. A different color temperature is set during the night and daytime. During twilight and early morning, the color temperature transitions smoothly from night to daytime, etc. And this is common in most operating systems now. I mean, it's even in Windows now. In Windows 10, they've copied off Linux once again. So that's what the program is about, and here's how to install it. In Fedora, we type we want administrative access to do the installation, and then we want to call the DNF package manager, and we want to install Redshift. That's the program itself, and this is the graphic interface for it, Redshift-GTK. And that'll go ahead and do the installation. Yes, to allow those to take place. And now DNF is downloading and installing the package. And then we can see that Redshift is now in the menu right here. And I will go ahead and click on that to run it. And this icon down here, it looks like a light bulb with an orange tint to it, is the icon representing Redshift. And I'll try to give a demonstration of what it looks like when it transitions over. It should happen on the screen now since it's past 6 o'clock where I am. Okay. Alright, now to get it to auto run when you log on, this is a Mate desktop, so it'll be a little different than the other desktops. But you right click on the icon in the menu and click auto start. And what that does in the Mate desktop, if you go to System, Preferences, Personal, Startup Applications, it will list an entry in here for that. There it is right there. So you could put that in manually, but if you just check that auto start right here on this icon, it'll put that entry in here. This is like the startup group for when your personal logon. So when this person logs in, all these programs are going to run. Okay, so let's right click on this icon and click enable to disable it and see if we can see a color change. I think I saw it. Let's try opening up something with a white background and see if we can see the change easier that way. So focusing on this white page of LibreOffice Writer, I'll re-enable it. And notice when you disable it, it goes from orange to blue, meaning that it's disabled. And now I will right click on the icon and re-enable it, and let's focus on the white in the center and see if it goes to a more reddish hue. Okay, so the screen recording software I'm using cannot capture the transition that I see. So in my original recording of the video, I can see the change, but it wouldn't capture it. So it does work. And there we can see that it auto ran. So it's an excellent program. Apparently at night it's easier on the eyes to shift to a reddish spectrum, and that's the whole point of this application. And it's the same for the ones in Windows and other Linux distributions. So that's the scope of this video, was to show you how to install it and configure it in the Mate desktop of Fedora Linux 33. So thank you very much.